This is another incredible book I seriously cannot wait to open up with you. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this extraordinarily special project share. And if you're new, it's just amazing to be here with you. I'm Frances Long with Your Book of Memories, and right here I have another student's project to share. I am amazed. All the way from the UK, this beautiful book has traveled. Tracy Williams, she created this, and I am just... Look at this. This whole book is just gorgeously constructed. She also used 49 and Market Teal collection. Thank you so much, Tracy, for this incredible opportunity to connect with your art and to flip through it and just, wow, inspiration across the board here. Straight away, right on the front cover, these gorgeous layered up little flowers. Very quality paper as well. And then she put some brads in there and did like a corner decor right there. Popped up this beautiful little butterfly and these amazing leaves kind of just spreading across. Love this nice little glossy little touch there too. We got some glitter and an amazing, awesome magnetic closure. Oh my goodness. Isn't that the most amazing array of gorgeous butterfly paper you've ever seen? I just love it, Tracy. Right here, this is the Clutch Folio. So if you've never taken this class before, if you've never even seen this design, I'll leave it down in the description if you were interested. Tracy, this is so beautiful. She put like a nice little thick piece right here and really nice quality. Popped up little foam dot there. This is a magnetic little strap that holds down these waterfall flaps. I mean, this is one of the first times I've ever seen a monochromatic type of style throughout a mini album, and I've always wanted to do this, and Tracy, you really delivered beauty on this one. And look at this cute little butterfly hanging out. I love it. It almost looks real because they hang in different directions, and oh my gosh, I love it. I feel like I'm on an adventure right now. Beautiful 4x6 photo spaces. She did use the envelope punch board right there to get those little notches, and I cannot believe how far this book has traveled. This is an absolute honor. Beautiful strip of the design paper there. And we're gonna move up into this section. She has gorgeous acetate right there and another happy little butterfly. And she put some little accents and dots throughout the book. I just think that's just so precious. Isn't that wonderful? And of course a picture can go inside here. She matted that beautifully, Tracy. This is just fantastic. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is something I've never seen. Adorable camera stamp. Love it. Again, we have acetate right here. Photo or journaling can go in there. And look at, I think she might have stamped this little area. How she customized that with some little enamel hearts. Oh my goodness. Again, we got this cute little half page here. So this album just keeps flapping out. You can hold about maybe 35 pictures in here. Again, look at this gorgeous matting that she did. Love that envelope punchboard corner. And she did beautiful journaling lines. Oh my gosh, I love the style. I'm so gonna have to try that. I love seeing what everyone does with the class because we all have our own touch and our own style and we put our own twist on it. I just love it. Okay, beautiful spread right here. Gosh, your decorating skill is amazing. Also, I wanna take a little zoom in close here. First of all, that paper is gorgeous. Excellent quality acetate. And look at this. A nice thin little bow there. What a perfect touch. This flaps down again and we got some photo spaces here. I love how she customized this. You could piece and put anything anywhere you want. Again, another little enamel heart right there and a beautiful 4x6 little photo space right there again on that wonderful frame. Tracy, this is gorgeous. I'm looking at a hummingbird right now. And its colors on its back over there were like the same color of your book. This is amazing. Look at this. She has this cute little tag pouch. O-M. Oh my gosh, again, gorgeousness. Tracy, this is so amazing. Love that butterfly you put right there. Right when we open it, we can see it. And I'm just impressed where you got these little, really thick little embellishments there. Let's go ahead and take a little look here. Look at that. So glossy and it goes perfectly with the collection. Wonderful 4x4 spot again. Beautiful little area here. Wow. This is, oh man, I can't believe this. Okay, we got some more enamel dots right here. Tracy, you really have outdone yourself on this one. Look at this. What a beautiful color composition we got going on. Adding some metal in here. Whole nother texture. This twine is kind of almost has like a cotton waxy feel. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Beauty again, journaling, pictures, anywhere you want. Love how you did this rounded area. We learned how to do that in class too. You nailed it. You absolutely nailed it. Again, this goes down. And we've got some more. Oh, look how she continued the design from the inside. I've never thought to do that. That is so cool. I love it. And look at this really thin detail work she did there. And that continuation. Beautiful little popped up. You're just popping everything up in the right spots. This is incredible. I wish I was as good as decorating as you. Look at that. Love it. Nice little spread there. I mean, this album continues to go and go and go. Sweet Days in the Sunshine. This flips to the left, 4x4 spots and 4x6 uncropped. Oh my goodness. Yes, beauty again. Look at us. Tracy, you absolutely rock. And I just love how everything just consolidates back. And this gorgeous acetate adds just a whole nother look. This twine texture that you have going on with the metal. And these handmade journaling lines. There's nothing better. And that super cute camera stamp and this amazing waterfall. Everything just came together beautifully. Thank you again, everyone, so much for watching and going through this adventure of this gorgeous book created by Tracy Williams, all the way from the UK. What a captivating book. It's so relaxing to flip through. Your impeccable talent is truly reflected in your book. Tracy, I'm giving you a nice tight hug right now. And everyone, thank you so much for joining us. And I'll see everyone soon.